is up, guys? This is the first trap date after the season, and I am on my way back to Napanee. I am in the Mustang. I just went to look at the new TrapBlazer for next year, guys, and I'm telling you, I can't wait to get back to it. Let's get a light on here for a second. I can't wait to get back to it, get that guy some money in his hand, and get that thing back to the house. I think everybody's really going to like it. It's definitely a TrapBlazer. It's a little different than what we've done before, but guys, I'm telling you, it's going to be spot on and on point. I'm excited. I hope everybody's excited with me. I can't wait to get it back to the house. And once I do, guys, we'll definitely do a video just like we always do of the new vehicles. So if everything goes well, we'll have a new TrapBlazer in the Extreme, Lightning Extreme. He'll be gone. I like that thing. It was great owning it. I always wanted a Blazer Extreme ever since I was a kid. That was the coolest truck, and I had one. I owned it for 2 years. We drove it everywhere. We had a lot of fun in it, and we're going to pass it along to somebody else, so hopefully they can enjoy it and have fun. And we're going to go get this new one, guys. So hopefully by Sunday, hopefully, we'll have an update and the new TrapBlazer, guys. So stay posted for that. I'm going to get this dome light off and gear down and get around this guy, and we're going to be back to the house. So we'll see you in the next one, guys. Keep on trapping.